Hi, I'm Tyson Franklin, and welcome to this week's video. I think this is a good one, but I say that every week, I think. And if you enjoy my videos, remember, click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you will know whenever these videos are being uploaded to YouTube. Today's video is about podiatrists wearing three hats. And what I mean by that, and this is like podiatry business owners are wearing three hats. If you are employed, you're only wearing one or two hats. First hat that all podiatry business owners have is your hat is a podiatrist. You actually, when you put your podiatry hat on, it means you're with the patient. Patient's in front of you, and you should be thinking about nothing other than the patient. You should be thinking about your team. You should be thinking about the business. You should be 100% focused on the patient, because that is the most important thing right there and then when the patient is in front of you. What's the best treatment for them? What's the best treatment plan? What are you planning on doing? How are you going to help them? Not sure about something, you do a bit more research and investigation. That's the first hat. The second hat that podiatry business owners put on is their manager's hat. And this is when, if you have a team, and I think even if you're a solo practitioner, you have nobody else employed, I think you still got to manage yourself. But most people, if you have a receptionist, another podiatrist working with you, part-time, full-time, doesn't really matter, you need to manage your team. And at certain times, you can't be thinking about the patient. You've got to manage the team. Your focus should be on the team. And if you want your team to feel like you care about them, you need to spend time focusing on your team. The third hat and this is the most important hat as a business owner, your third hat is the entrepreneurial hat. And this is the hat where you need to make some tough decisions. You can't have your podiatry hat on and your manager's hat and your entrepreneur hat on at the same time. Sometimes you've got to put your entrepreneurial hat on, your business owner's hat, and you have to make decisions. What is the best thing for your business? Not what's the best thing for the patient, not what is the best thing for your team. What is the best thing for the business? And I know sometimes this may seem really hard and difficult for people to do. They're saying, oh, but I don't want to lose any patients. I don't want to upset anybody. Sometimes you're going to upset people. As a business owner, it's just inevitable that you are going to upset people. And I know for employees and people in your team, sometimes they don't understand some of the decisions we make. And this is the difference between someone who runs a good, efficient business to someone who runs a business, but it's a little bit wish-washy because they never want to upset people. And I'm not condoning that you should be trying to upset people. What you should be doing is making decisions about your business that may not always be popular, but sometimes you just have to do it. Perfect example would be in your business, you can only see a certain number of patients per day. If you're working yourself full-time, you only have a certain amount of hours in the day, and so does the other podiatrists that work with you. So they can only see a certain amount of patients. You have to then determine, as the business owner, what type of patients do I really want to be seeing in my business? Now, your phone might be ringing crazy with people with EPC referrals and other referrals from other government agencies, people that want bulk billing. Now, you have a choice. When you've got your entrepreneurial hat on, do you want to have a clinic full of people that have a discount mindset? Or do you want to structure your business in a way that you're attracting different types of patients and you're actually saying no to some other patients? And that is the difficult thing to do, because as we're building up our business, and this reply comes back to also when you put your fees up. I'll talk to some podiatrists. I go, oh, yeah, I don't want to put them up too much because I don't want to upset anybody. But by trying to keep your patients happy, you may not be keeping your team happy. Your team's coming at you saying, hey, I want a pay rise. I can't afford to give you a pay rise. We don't make enough money. But if you put your fees up, structured your business in a way that you weren't seeing patients that had a discount mindset, your business makes more money. Therefore, you can pay your team more money. The team is happier. This is what the entrepreneurial hat's all about. It's a difficult thing to get your head around. And when I'm doing coaching with people, this is something I focus on a lot. And I'm reminding them all the time, you've got to put your entrepreneurial hat on. You can't run your business thinking as a podiatrist. You can't just run your business thinking as a manager. You've got to put your entrepreneurial hat on. And sometimes you need to make some hard and sometimes not so popular decisions, because sometimes if you're upsetting the patients a little bit, you might be making your team happy. If you're upsetting your team, you might be making your patients happy. Across the board, long term, your patients will be happy, your team will be happy, and you'll be happy when you know when to actually put which hat on. And I hope you get something from that. Love your feedback. As I always say, if you have any comments, comment on YouTube in the comment section, and I usually always reply. And I love every comment that I get. If you're liking these videos, please tell your podiatry friends. Unless you have none, then just watch them yourself and enjoy them. And if you want to contact me directly, go to my website, tysonfranklin.com, or shoot me an email, tf@tysonfranklin.com. And very soon, the Podiatry Legends website, there's going to be a new website just for Podiatry Legends. So that is coming very, very soon. I will keep everybody posted on it. Okay. And as I said before, click the subscribe button if you're really enjoying these videos. Talk to you later. Bye.